everybody, it's Ebony. Thank you so much for joining me here on the channel. Today I will be doing a DIY and a decorate with me of my Christmas porch decor, so let's go. What I have here is 2 dowels from Lowe's that I glued together and then wrapped with electrical tape, and some Dollar Tree ornaments. I used monofilament to attach the ornaments. I just simply tied knots until I felt like it was secure, and then I went over the knots with hot glue to make sure they didn't move or become weakened or anything. I just wanted to make sure that they were extra strong. Next, you will see me marking my dowel to make sure that the ornaments are evenly spaced out. I put the 2 that look alike on the same length of string, as well as on equal distance away from the center. Here I just have a few little things that I picked up. That lantern is old, I've had it for a while. The joy sign was a previous DIY that I will link in the description box below. Cost just a few bucks to make. The tinsel is from Big Lots, and all the ornaments are from Dollar Tree, and the tree topper as well. And the little Christmas tree on the table, the reindeer, is from Big Lots. And you can't see the rug right now, the doormat, but that is from Big Lots as well. And so is the wrapping paper that will be on the door. So this was done on a budget for sure. Probably really didn't cost me any more than $30 to do everything. And oh, the Christmas tree ornament that will be on the door is from Tuesday Morning. Got it on a great sale. So yeah, everything is really cheap, and this is budget friendly. Here is my DIY that I'm putting up, and here is the finished product. There's the ornament that I was talking about on the door. It was actually a yard sign, but it was broken, so they sold it in pieces at Tuesday Morning. So I was able to get it for just a few dollars, and I think it's really cute on the door. So here is some more shots of my front porch. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for watching. I'm so sorry if the blurring is distracting, but I have to, of course, protect my privacy, and my house number is behind that blur. So hopefully it's not too distracting. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about anything that you have seen, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment, or if you just want to say that you like what you saw, you can leave me a comment. In the boxes there, those are just regular boxes with rocks inside, because I was scared they might blow away if I didn't put something in it, so it's just big rocks inside of it. But yeah, like I was saying, please subscribe to my channel, hit a like, and let me know how you think this turned out in the comments down below. And I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy the final frames of my video. Thank you one more time for watching.